Want to learn how to create and share client-specific dashboards using SuiteDash? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up personalized, streamlined dashboards for your clients to access all their essential data in one spot. Whether you're managing a team, providing client services, or simply want to improve your client interactions, SuiteDash can help. But keep watching because I'll also reveal some alternatives that might work better for your needs. So let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your SuiteDash account and create a client profile. After logging in, head over to the Clients tab. This is where you'll add new clients by inputting their basic details. Now, when you create a client profile, you'll want to ensure you're clear about what data they need to access. This will help you create a tailored dashboard that they'll actually use. Next thing, once your clients are set up, go to the Dashboards section. Here, SuiteDash allows you to create dashboards based on specific client needs. You can either start from scratch or use a template that's close to what you're looking for. You can add modules like project tasks, financial info, or analytics, and make sure it's all organized in a way that makes sense for your client. The flexibility is great, but it can be overwhelming if you're not careful. Just remember that simplicity often works best. The third thing is sharing these dashboards with your clients. Once you set up the dashboard, you'll have the option to assign it to your client. You can either set permissions so they can view or edit the data, and you can even send an invite through SuiteDash's built-in email system. This integration is useful, but at times, the email notifications might get lost in the shuffle. So, make sure to follow up with a personal email if needed. Now, here's the fourth thing. SuiteDash does give you some pretty good customization options, but it's not always as intuitive as it could be. For example, you might find that creating certain widgets for specific clients can take longer than expected. While SuiteDash is an all-in-one solution, it might feel a bit complex if you're just looking to share basic information with clients without the fluff. The fifth thing is tracking client usage. Once you've shared the dashboard, SuiteDash does offer basic tracking to show how often your clients are engaging with their dashboard. This is useful for keeping them engaged, but the reporting isn't as advanced as some other tools out there. But here's the thing, SuiteDash is a powerful tool, but it's not always the easiest to navigate for those just looking for a simple client dashboard solution. If you're looking for something more straightforward or with a bit more flexibility, you might want to consider other options like mention alternative software. It's definitely worth checking out if your goal is to create and share client-specific dashboards more easily. So, while SuiteDash is great for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution, the learning curve and complexity might make it a bit much for some. That's why we recommend you check out our exclusive extended free trial for SuiteDash. But we didn't stop there. We've also got some amazing alternatives that could serve your dashboard needs even better. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Be sure to check them out before you make your decision.